Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Santa Fe headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket or wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. It is also important to wear clean gloves when handling the new bulb to prevent oils from your skin from damaging its surface. Now, open your vehicle's hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to service. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery using a 10mm wrench. Next, find the circular cover on the back of the headlight assembly. Twist this cover counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn, and carefully remove it to expose the bulb. With the cover off, you will see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently squeeze and pull to disconnect it. Depending on your specific model, the bulb might be held by a retaining spring or small screws. Unclip or unscrew these. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Remember to avoid touching the reflective surfaces inside the headlight housing. Now take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and carefully insert it into the housing, aligning the tabs with the grooves. Secure it with the retaining clip or screws, then reattach the electrical connector. Replace the bulb cover by twisting it clockwise until it's snug. Reconnect your battery's negative terminal. Finally, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.